ARaymond designs and produces quick connectors that provide secure connections for fluid systems. These solutions meet the expectations of an increasingly complex and demanding market. To ensure a better protection and increase engine performance for the commercial vehicles industry, thermal management is one of the biggest challenges in current and future vehicles. ARaymond two-button quick connectors have been at the heart of our success for over 20 years. Cartridge quick connectors exist also with other locking systems. ARaymond's long-standing experience in fluid connection ensures reliable and secure connection solutions for all fluid applications.